Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to add watermark in Google Docs. Friends, sometimes we need to print watermark on our important document. So in your Google Docs document, if you want to add watermark, then you simply need to click on Insert. Now here you need to click on Watermark. Now you need to select the image, click on Browse. Now select the image from your computer. After selecting the image, click on Open. From here you can change scale etc. and click on Done. Now friends, as you can see, we have successfully added watermark to our Google Docs document. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.